On large-scale jobs, we recommend using automatic welding equipment. The procedure is basically the same as when using hand equipment, except that with the automatic equipment, the work speed must be established. Insert the nozzle under the overlap. The equipment starts operating when this movement is performed. Then weld normally, allowing the equipment to work at the programmed speed. With an air temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and using a 40 millimeter nozzle, the recommended temperature is 560 degrees Celsius and a speed of 4.5 meters per minute. Joint. To first weld the transversal joints and then the longitudinal joints. When welding, take special care with the lip of the previous weld. Always round off corners to avoid weak spots in the joint. Taper the edges of the membrane. This way, the thickness of the superimposed layers will be less. 4 plies should never meet at the same point. If this happens, place the joints in such a way that they are not aligned transversely. Make sure that all the joints have been made correctly. For added precaution, seal the joint with liquid PVC.